Have you been thinking about other career opportunities in nursing? I'd like to say that the sky is the limit. There are so many opportunities, and the one that I want to share with you is about the field of legal nurse consulting. It is such an exciting one where you can work directly with attorneys, on the forefront, or even behind the scenes. I have so much more to share with you. My colleague and dear friend, Patricia Iyer, and I are excited to offer our 10th virtual Legal Nurse Conference. We have new speakers and new topics. Some of the topics include how to attract the ideal clients. So if you are brand new in the field of legal nursing, you certainly want to tune in and learn how to attract the ideal clients. How to master marketing essentials. This is great for every level legal nurse consultant. And an attorney is going to share the most significant case of his entire career. We will also share with you an actual case. We are going to bring this case to light. The attorney and a legal nurse consultant who work together are going to share and go in depth and give you the opportunity to work on this case. Great time ahead. Right now, I am here to introduce to you Mary Beth Kerstein, and she is one of our speakers. She is going to be on the panel with the topic of lessons learned from the legal nurse consultant. She is an MSN, BSN, RN, ONC from Milford, Michigan, and her career has spanned over 38 years. She's clinically active and has worked in the hospital setting her entire career. She has had multiple roles, and in addition to this, she is a very successful legal nurse consultant. She has worked behind the scenes with attorneys and paralegals, as well as served as an expert witness. Today, she is going to share a little bit about what her panel topic will be. Welcome, Mary Beth.
Thank you, Barbara, for inviting me to join you tonight. I'm really excited about our upcoming presentation in September. My legal nurse consulting career started 20 years ago when I heard a defense attorney present at the hospital how to protect yourself with your documentation. After the presentation, I met with the attorney and started working there part-time at the defense firm. One of my most memorable cases is when they asked me to develop a chronology, which I'll always refer to as my Mr. Bleeding chronology. This poor gentleman had an elective surgery and he did not survive. He bled out. That was the short version of it. So when I finished my chronology, I immediately went to the attorney. I said, I know I'm new here. I'm sure you're not going to want to hear this, but you need to break out the checkbook right now and find out how to settle this case. He goes, very good. Nope, that's not what I wanted to hear, but thank you for telling me. And I showed him were the important details. So I was hooked from there on. And 20 years later, I'm still doing all kinds of fun, exciting things in the legal nurse consulting world. Most of my experience has been behind the scenes, and there's so much you can do. You want to attend our conference and learn about all the different roles and opportunities you can. And there's just so much information.
Thank you so much. And I know that all of our attendees who are beginner, advanced, and even the most experienced will learn so much from you and the other panel members, as well as the attorneys, legal nurses, and others who are going to be presenting at our conference. So we want you to join us September 26 and 27, 2024 for our 10th virtual live Legal Nurse Consulting Conference. This is going to be a really exciting one. Please see the link below, lnc.tips/September 2024 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.